You are in the Blind Relief Association now, and this is an institution which was founded in 1944 by this couple. You can see the picture, Mr. U.A. Basrurkar and Mrs. Anusuya Basrurkar. They founded this institution with just 2 students in starting their activities in a place called Badarpur, which is about 10 kilometers from here in this where we are located. Now this grand premises that you see and the range of activities that you see here, it's all a result of the vision of this gentleman and a number of people who contributed to the growth of this institution to become a premier institution serving in the field of education, vocational rehabilitation, training of the visually challenged persons. And we have had a galaxy of chairpersons, a president who who steered this institution, and our present president of the association is former Chief Justice of India, Dr. A.S. Anand, Justice Dr. A.S. Anand. And we have a trust board and then a managing committee, and the day-to-day functions are under the care of the executive secretary. My name is K.C. Pandey, Kailash Chandra Pandey. I happen to be the executive secretary of this association at the moment. And in the area of education, we run a school which is called JPM Senior Secondary School for Boys, which has students, about a student of total number of 210 students there. And we have classes from nursery to class 12th. And I must say that all our students go for higher studies. They all go to universities and pursue higher studies. Then we have a number. Then we are engaged in preparing teachers for the blind for almost 4 decades. And currently we are running a college by the name Durgabai Deshmukh College for Special Education, Visual Impairment. This college is under university, offering Bachelor of Special Education course in Visual Impairment. And incidentally, the name of the college, as I mentioned to you, is Durgabai Deshmukh College for Special Education. Durgabai Deshmukh College was at one time the president of this association. Then we have for adult blind a number of vocational training programs: general mechanic, machine operators course, book binding, massage training, and computer training, and on-the-job call center training programs. And all these programs help the visually challenged to be independent in this life and work with dignity as equal member of the society. That is our mission, to empower them. Then we have, in this complex we have a big hostel which houses almost 300 children and adult. They are our students, they are trainees. We provide services. We have the services of preparing recorded books, textbooks and other material which we provide to our students, also students in and around Delhi and outside Delhi also. We have a small braille printing unit, and our association is very much involved in promotion of sports in a very major way. It was responsible for setting up the national body for promotion of sports for the blind by the name Indian Blind Sports Association. Incidentally, I happen to be the honorary general secretary of that association. We organize, this association organizes national sports meet for the blind, promotes football for the blind. We organize coaching camps, and we send teams to outside India that participate in international tournaments, international athletics competitions. So all these activities go on. This place is very, and I think those people who live in Delhi, they know our institution, more popularly known as a blind school, and it's very famous for the Diwali Bazaar that we organize. I think we are notoriously because much traffic jam around this place. And then yes, I forgot to mention, we're talking about Diwali Bazaar. We have a manufacturing unit where we produce candles. We produce almost 70 different varieties of candle made by the visually challenged persons, and some of our products are available on sale anytime. One can come here and see. So this is all.
Is it something
You are creating this website, interesting website. This concept, I'm still trying to fathom out how it is different from, but I believe that it can become a good, the introduction I just received. I believe it can become a good interface between individuals interested in joining hands with us, or we finding some partners who could help in promoting the objectives that we are working for.
Thank you.